Ladies and gentlemen, good evening. My name is Such a Hope from Bukoli Chiefdom. I'm going to present a poem entitled My Dream. Welcome. I have a dream that will never fail. My present situation notwithstanding, it's a mere passing cloud. Every mighty king was once a crying baby. Every great tree was once a tiny seed. Every tall building was once on paper, and so is my dream. This journey seems so long, but I'll not give up. The path stones all over, yet I'll never live in dismay. Things seem not to work my way. I'll not give up, for there is the one thing I know. Every day of my life is a page of my history. Every step that I take is a move to my glorious destiny. And so, I dream my dream. It's not where I am, but where I'm going that matters. My future has nothing to do with my past or present. The hard times I've had make me stronger and better. The inner courage within me doesn't show, it just whispers. And so, I dream my dream. Thank you.
We are on talent showcase to the kubunisa bitone byabana. This is what we call ebitone. Nibinemu kubitone ebiri mu Busoga oyinza okubeeyo ngoba yetwalidde ng'olina ekitone. Ono omwana ajja akola wano ekintu otegeera ntubona olina ekitone. Talent showcase Miss Tourism Busoga 2025.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Nangobita Bita from Luka Chiefdom. I'm here to present my talent, Busoga dance. Thank you. I love you. Mbendeno. Laughter has no sound, but it speaks in various languages. She bows. Thank you.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Ipaji Jemima from Buna Chiefdom. I'm going to perform with Busoga dance. You I'm sorry. Once again, I'm going to present to you a poem. Busoga, my home. When dawn whispers to Sangeide, my spirit follows the drones of the car to a kingdom carved in sunrise, Busoga, where culture stands tall like Igenge, and the wind bows down to the past. You ask, Busoga, follow the road east, where the Nile takes its first breath, where the wind curves with shining sunrise, Busoga. A necklace of districts shining bright, Jinja, the city of beginnings, Iganga, the heartbeat of trade, Kamuli, the storyteller's home, Bujiri with words speaking in riddles, Mayuge, the island dancer, Kalilo, the well of discipline, Namayingo with gardens dancing in the sun, Nantumba laughing in the sun. One kingdom, many drums, one song. Lusoga, oh Lusoga, soft like cotton, deep like the nail pass, that even your worries feel like removing their shoes. In Busoga, a stranger becomes family. Here, hospitality is not just a habit, it is a heartbeat. In Busoga, the Busoga women rest rooted in the land, with their beauty that walks before them. The Busoga men, builders of destiny, that with their sweat writing tomorrow on the land. So come see, come test, Mwide. Let Busoga wrap around you like a song. Let the nail baptize your wonder. Let Busoga show you why some homes are not visited. They call you by name. Busoga Wamaka, Wabuangwa, Wabulamu. A kingdom that is not just lived, but it's experienced. Thank you so much.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Mwebaze Sylvia Marina from Luoka Chiefdom, and I'm going to present to you Busoga traditional dance. Thank you.
Tusubira
Wanji
Olyatamna
mkwano kwangu maze watuka
ntuze
tegeza dilwera tuli kujaye diru tebaluika muna ziramani
ate biki bino ku mubiri gwo
ebintu binduika ku ndikwidukana
oli kwidukana
ziramuna bani
baidi mukwano gwange kyetube tukole mubulamu bugeiga kije tubone ku kije tubone ku musawo
ayengana tukowa musawo
tuje mpola mpola twidatuka
mama ze
towa mumani wenda towa mumani
zira
towa mumani musawo
Sangairo babona
kale
oli otya nnyabo
ndi bubi musawo
kiye
ebintu binduika ku mubiri
bimaze ebbanga shiye
nakwibiri einuma eyo ndi kwidukana ziramani musawo
kirino oli mukazi mufumbo
atiri mufumbo
ayo olina omusaada
azira musaadaye kale waliyo kweyeyo abanimbalimbaku
kale kati nzikiriza nkebera olwewa asirimu
kati nga sirimu ate nga namutwaire waye bana musawo
afaayo kyetube tusookereku kati nyaba wesula ng'olina olwewa asirimu okyakola kiye
nga ngabaniraku abandi babona kawuka wekanuma muna
mbe ebesambi
ate amazambi ditya musawo
n'engeri gyensobola okuyambaku ng'olivi oba n'obulwaire ng'olina akawuka aye engeri ate olisiiga ku beino
kati oligezaaku ko bati musawo
tuba tukuzuula n'akawuka ka siriimu okyakola ki
onko byolina kyosobola okunkolera nga nzira mumaani
kale buti konso tukuzuulire ng'olina akawuka ka siriimu
mama nze yali omuwala mulungi nga neyagaza ku kyalo
afumvuwe abaisi bantu ndabula nabyokowokuna tuduke baba atereire ndabula atereire basoga etereire ali malamula atereire.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Babiria Patience. I'm going to present a Busoga dance.
Mwana mukube ndulu mulwasira mbazinzeku kabiri lubaire mwana mwendabye kubo muno lokadikino nakutyaimemu afumvuwe kobaise bantu ndabula nabyo kowokuna tuduke baba atereire ndabula atereire basoga etereire ali malamula atereire tuduke baba atereire ali muntebeye uyo baba uyo
I'm doing public speaking as my talent, and I'm presenting a speech about Busoga's beauty. Thank you. The theme why we are all here is beauty with cultural values. Earlier this year, I got a chance to go to Soroti, the land of the Intesots. When they asked me, where are you coming from? I proudly answered, I'm coming from Busoga. They mocked me. You're coming from Busoga? A land of those who are poor, a land of those who understand in their 40s. I say no, I'm not coming from that land. I'm coming from Busoga, a land of those with pride, a land of those with love. Growing up, I've had the negative labels placed on our community, that we are poor, we are less competent, and we take long to understand. But today, I stand before you with proof that we are more than what the world has chosen to see in us. I believe the truest beauty is not just in the rivers, the hills, or the historical sites we have in Busoga. It is in the people who inhabit this region, and that is us. We have to fight for our Busoga because we are the true beauty of Uganda. We are the pearl of Africa. Thank you for listening to me.
Rita, obeire ki? Mwana iwe, nja kuba bulungi, wazza kyamaani naye nja kuba bulungi.
Aya ngobeire osesemena ku dino ki?
Just musuda namizeeko amakerenda nja kuba bulungi.
Kale kirungi.
Kale. Mbode.
Ki?
Mbeire nsaba kwogera ku niiwe.
Kwogera kunze biki ye?
Ekigamaganya ku nze niiwe.
Biki ebigamagana kunze niiwe?
Ennaku dino mpulira obubonero kisekayindindinda.
Kati w'obenda nze bingemera kuwa.
Omulundi we mbatyerabira omulundi ogwasembayo nasembayo kwegaita niiwe.
Oba baalaba ku isomero kuno baba bakiye bana. Oyenda kimuwala iwe niwe ilijabayo ni basikali bo oba ku isomero ennaku dino bagaba omwenge tindi vira nomuviranze
Mbode olegaine musana mukulu nga wansuubiza obulamu obulungi. Nze nasalawo ngume ekyama n'abazeeyo kibaidde oli kuneegaana.
Rita otawaliikirira bena bena mbiwulire aye osobola okuba n'olutera weiramu wasoma
Mwana iwe nze mpulira nga neekyaye mpulira nga nenda nakwaita.
Rita osobola okuba olutera wasoma otawaliikirira
Kale. Kagoya kyankobye kituufu. Nze okubenda kineekomerero y'obulamu bwange. Nsobola okumaliriza ozaala neyayo n'asoma. Bawala bannange abali eyo, buno obubaka bujja eri abaana ab'obuwala. Twekuumire mu masomero, tutawankawanka. Let's abstain from sex. Omusaadde yakuzaalamu abaana yakuleka abo. Obwana tibulye oba obwana tibunywa. Aye bannanfunye ntya ssente mubwaineku maama kadaga mubwaineku banange mubwaineku ni maama namutamba afuuwa esente oba olibabona aye nfunye ntya esente kodi balijja Itanda ate eyampulira bazanira wakumaadi babuuka n'okubuuka. Aye kati zeena kantwale embaire eno mbona oba abaana tibaali ate tibaanywa ye banange kanenwera ojja ebirowoozo bingi ye bana kadi kino kikuba kitya nze bana tindi kale oba ntyame ntya kantyame nti Duma likumera abataka mwide tutemere dum. 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 Duma likumera. Duma likumera. Duma likumera. Thank you.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Kagoya Herod from Chibulu Chiefdom, and I'm to present a poem. culture heritage. Thank you. To the east, found are the fertile sons of Busoga, laid on the 11 chieftaincies, woven with love, tradition, and heritage. A basket of wood, it calls its heritage. Found in is the true beauty with cultural values. My culture heritage, blessed with the longest river and the largest lake. In the beauty of my culture, I find my way. I find my pride. My culture heritage. Ukunga bavubuka banange, basoga banange, treaure kunana.
Olanga bezimwe wenika mutongo, yalwaza mu gwanga mu bantu ali kumpiso. Twali kulala twalumba mu bulamu ojimamba, tukubye ndongo, amakina gata.